Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5 Mark III and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all we have to open the dialer, but okay, a quick disclaimer, so we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is using directly our contact list in order to block a number which is currently saved, or we can enter the number manually and do it using, let's say, the dialer settings, and of course I'll show you both. Okay, so let me show you the first option using the contacts. So let's enter the contacts, let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. So I will pick this one. Now let's tap on the three that's icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see we've got the option block numbers. After tapping on it, your device will ask you if you really want to block this number, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option, and if you are ready, simply tap on block. And as you can see, we've got the information, we've got also this characteristic icon which will show us that this number is blocked. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tap on unblock numbers, but let's leave it like this. We will check if Tina will appear on the blacklist. So, and that was the first way of blocking a number, and now let me show you the second one. And as I said, it will require entering the dialer settings, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon, three dots icon, enter the settings and tap on blocked numbers. And as you can see, this is our blacklist. That's the number we just blocked from our contacts, so everything went fine. We just blocked the Tina. And I said that here you will be able to enter the number manually. So simply tap on add a number, and as you can see here, you can enter it using this keypad and tap on block, so you do not have to have it saved. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist, so again you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages. What's more, right here in this section, we've got three very useful options. So we've got the options thanks to which your device will be allowed to block particular numbers. So first of all, your device will be allowed to block the numbers which are not in your contacts, block callers which that do not disclose their numbers, so the private numbers, and also the unknown, so from unidentified callers. If you'd like to turn on a particular option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher and it will be active. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So if you want to unblock the number, all you have to do is to simply tap on this X button right next to it. So actually, that's all. This is how to block a number in your SONY Xperia 5 Mark III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.